Hello, everybody. Here is a refresher for Cami, how some of the paperwork we're going to be handing in, especially our homework, how that'll be done when we're virtual or online as an option. So we'll give a little refresher here. So you'll open it in Google Classroom, okay, and you'll have a link, and then it should open exactly like this for Cami. If not, let me know and we'll get it figured out. Okay. First, we'll start off with the tools at the left. So we do have some text to speech. Okay. So if we utilize that tool, we can start from the beginning and it'll read it for us. Okay. You can change what kind of voice that you have. Okay, for some of us that might help, okay? If we wanted to go faster, we can use the speed. To mark up, if we want to highlight the text, sometimes we have to do that, remember? Just mark up and then you have your colors, okay? So if I wanted a red color, I can highlight freehand. I can highlight whatever I want to, okay? And I'll show up red. Or I can do a box highlighter and it can do whole sections, okay? And you can do a freehand highlight as well too, okay? If you need to underline a section, oh, that was too much. It's too much. So let's do that. So if we want to underline a section, let's do this first. Then you can use the underline tool as well. So we'll just drag and click on a certain section and we'll underline it. Okay, just like that. So it'll underline and you can choose the color that you want to underline it as well. Okay. If you want to create a comment, so if it's hard to, we can write a text comment. We can use a voice comment. So if we want to use our voice, we can have a video comment on here as well. So a lot of different options here. Text boxes. So I already have text boxes set up. So here in the text box, you can change your font, which I don't think you really need to. Anywhere we need to write in, I put text in there, but you have the ability to manipulate some of these things as well up here in the upper part. So if I just go back and just, okay, then it's right up here. So we have a text box for everything we need to put into, okay? So we want to read the article or have it read to us, right, from the text to speech. We want to now follow. So complete all questions with the complete sentences as well as annotating. So marking up the text where needed. Okay. So everywhere we need. So the paragraph number, all we would do is click on there and then we'd write the paragraph number where you got the information. Remember our claim, evidence, reasoning. Okay. So what is the difference of an electric vehicle and those with combustion engine? So you're actually going to write the answer into the text as well. Okay. And then number two, what is the distance of an electric vehicle go? Can an electric vehicle go before a new charge is needed? So again, paragraph number where you found the information and then writing your answer in the text. So just click on the text, backtrack, delete what says text, and then write your answer. Okay. What's the difference in travel costs with an electric vehicle versus a combustion engine vehicle? Okay. And what are some advantages of an electric vehicle? So putting those in. What are some disadvantages? Electric vehicles are limited to the size and color Why do you think this is so? So this isn't necessarily all in the text, but why do you think it's so? Why would an electric vehicle be allowed to travel in high occupancy vehicles, HOV lanes, carpool lanes, right? With only one driver. And then summarize this article in 2 or 3 sentences. So you can put that in there. Okay. And then here is the rubric down below that you would use, right? So if you need to do any drawing, you can do freehand. It'll have the stroke thickness on there. If you need to put some shapes, you can put the shape and the color of the shape. You can insert lines so you can play around with those things. If you need the eraser, okay, or if we need signatures. So those are all in the left-hand column. So you can utilize all those tools there. All right. Let me see. I'll go through and so if you want to move from another section, remember, if I want to mark it up with the highlighter, I need to click on it and then I can fill it with a different color or weight or transparency, or I can erase it. Okay. But you have to go to the highlight tool to erase it. Click on it and then trash, or you can make a comment. Okay. So like here, I can't get on. Okay. So anything that I put on for the highlight, I can erase. All right. So complete that. And then what's going to happen is right up here, you're going to have a turn in. Okay. I don't have it because I'm the teacher, but right here between the save and the download, there's a turn in button. And you're going to press that to turn it into me. Okay. So you'll get your assignment done. So it'll automatically save and you'll turn that into me. Okay. Get everything back to where it was. Okay, so that's shared with everybody. And it may be a little awkward at first to use, but this is a great tool and be able to turn it in. Okay, so let me know if you have any problems with it, but this is a nice video to help us work on it if we have a few troubles. Okay, look forward to reading your papers.